way is it going to go? Corner kick now. The shot's on. Here's Dembele. Hoisted upfield now. Now it's Griezmann. And it's opened up here. Griezmann. Good save by the goalkeeper. Can they make something of this? Whipped in with pace. He must score. Shoots. Will be disappointed with that effort. Let's see how close that one was to going in. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. And he stayed onside. Great chance here. Oh, here's Messi. And that is a fantastic goal. Well, let's take another look at that. And the crowd are well behind their team now they've got their goal. We're back underway. Oh, he did really well there. Here's Dembele. Can he finish it? And there's the shot. Well-worked goal. Great finish. The new player scored on his debut. And the players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. Here's Dembele. Oh, well timed. Now it's Griezmann. Great chance here. Griezmann, his teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff. Here's a replay of that great goal. Well, it's becoming a bit embarrassing for the opposition here. Yet another goal from this brilliant player. Oh, it's a clear chance. Here's the shot, and this is a world-class finish. Let's see that one again. So, we're off again here. Pjanic. Oh, he did really well there. Quality defending there. Oh, determined challenge there. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Oh, he did really well there. Here's Dembele. And the team swap possession again. Pjanic. What a well-timed tackle. Well-timed and good defending. Half-time then. Will we...
Marcus.
So we're back underway for the second half in this enthralling game. He loves to run with the ball. That's nice. Dangerous tackle there. Oh, there's an opening here. Shoots, and it's in. Good work there to get on the score sheet. The manager will hope that form continues. They've won the ball back again. Now it's Griezmann. Chiellini, well cut out. They're not going easy on the opposition today. They're hungry for more. Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play. And the manager's making a change here. The defender, he must score. That one has gone out of play. Time for some fresh legs maybe. The players are warming up. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Oh, that could be painful. It's a tactical change here then. Now it's Griezmann. Well timed and good defending. It's with the striker. Oh, and dispossessed there. Good defending. Oh, determined challenge there. And And this really takes the pressure off the defence. What a well-timed tackle. It's with the... What an opportunity! Griezmann, and it's hard into the bottom corner. A tactical change here then. It's with the strike. Surely now, Messi! There's literally no stopping him today. He's got his hat-trick. And we're back underway here. Marquisio with the ball. Oh, determined challenge there. Here's Dembele. Messi. Full time, the manager will be pleased by his team's cup run. They'll be setting their sights on the final now.